Greetings humans. In this video we're going to be trying Nature Valley soft-baked PB&J bars.
Munch?
Made with real fruit. We found these in the back to school section. So maybe kind of marketed as a school lunch item or a school snack. Sorry about the box gore here. I'm trying not to waste your time. Feels very dense.
Munch!
Huh, okay. Almost looks like a strudel or something. I can smell jelly. I can definitely taste peanut butter and jelly in there. The jelly has pretty strong grape aftertaste. I'm curious about 4 grams of protein.
Munch.
It's a little bland. There's a lot of breading, I feel. The filling to breading ratio is kind of disappointing. You can see here, huge border of this doughy, not very flavorful bread. Compared to an Uncrustable, obviously neither of these are very healthy, but comparing them, that one's a lot softer and a lot sweeter and has a way more filling. Even that cross section is it's pretty weak. Look how far up the breading goes. It's like a skinny little strip of filling. If I was hungry at school, I'd probably be a lot better. Here, Munchie, give it a shot.
Munch!
I don't know, this is pretty bland and pretty boring.
Munch?
I'm gonna take one more bite. It's really doughy. I mean, it's a decently pleasing mouthfeel texture, but I don't know, it falls very flat for me. I'd probably give it a 2. What do you think, Munchie? What would you give it?
Munch.
He says he'd give it a 10. Here, have some more then. Alright everybody, thanks for watching.